head towards the asset side. Okay. On the asset side, you are given non-current asset, you are given current asset. So the non-current asset are basically given for purpose of your investing activity, right? Whenever you purchase or sell any kind of fixed asset, tangible, intangible, it is your investing activity, either a cash outflow or a cash inflow from the investing activity. So if you will see, from 2016 to 2017, there is decrease in fixed asset. Okay. So what we will assume here, till we read the additional information, we will assume there is some kind of sale, right? Because the fixed asset value is getting reduced. Let's not head towards the conclusion. We will see it in the additional information part. Okay. Under current asset, they have given you inventory, and the inventory balance is getting reduced. If it is getting reduced, reduction in current asset are to be added, right? Cash and cash equivalent. So for this, we don't take it as a part of working capital changes. We take it at the last when we are done with calculating cash flow from all the activities. What we do, we add the opening cash equivalent, and then we get the final number as it. If you don't get it as 80,000, means you have done some mistake and you need to recheck. Okay, so our goal is to get 80,000 as our closing balance. Lastly, other current asset. Okay, so for this purpose, we will assume this could be your debtors. Okay, if it is not there, we can assume it is other kind of asset, right? It can be any asset. So from 16,000, it has again reduced to 8,000. So any reduction in current asset are to be added. Okay, let's check next what is given under the question is your additional information. Okay, what is given under additional information? It is interest paid on debentures. Okay, so what are the interest paid on debentures? Let's check. So if we see, if we had a debenture in the question, we need to pay something called interest on the debentures, right? Then second, dividend paid during the year, right? So we saw in the question, in the reserves and surplus note to the account, there was 4,000 as dividend paid, and paying dividend is nothing but your financing activity as well as a extraordinary item. Understand, if the thing is given in the additional information, you have to take it where in two effects. You have to give a two effect to it. One is what? It is a financing activity and a cash outflow. Other thing, it is a extraordinary item. Next, what else is given under additional information? Depreciation is charged during the year. Okay, so this information is basically for your fixed asset part. We charge depreciation on a fixed asset, right? We charge depreciation on the fixed assets. So since there is no information about any purchases, sale, we have to assume what? Whatever is your changes in the fixed asset is nothing but your depreciation part. Okay, so I hope you have understood the sum till here, and in the next part we will be understanding the solution.